Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Tichie. Caribou. Now, I decided to put my hair in a protective hairstyle after 3 or 4 months of back-to-back styling with my own hair. My hair was like, we need a break. So, and then the Nairobi weather, it's cold. So I was like, let me just put my hair in a protective hairstyle. But I was like, which one? But this one is really cute, right? It's the color, it's the okay. So if you want to see how I got this, how can I say, layered spring twist, Nubian twists, then keep on watching. For the extension hair prep, what you'll need are extension hair. I started off using 2 packs, but I ended up adding 1 more to make it 3 packs of extension hair, spring twist hair, a ball of yarn to hold all the twists together, a fine tooth comb to make those juicy comb coils at the end, and a pair of scissors or shears. I am using my shears because I have new shears for my hair. If you haven't watched this video, I'll put a link up there so you can go check it out, and all the other goodies that I got for my hair. So before twisting, you need to fluff out the hair, and that's what I'm doing right here. Start with the ends because the ends can get a little bit tangly, and if you need to snip them off, just snip them. I further fluff out the hair when it's on the yarn because this is what gives it that plump look. And then I apply some butter. This is curl butter. You can use a curl pudding. It really doesn't have to have that curling property. It just needs to be tacky enough to give the hair that smooth, sleek, soft look once it's done. So right here I'm comb coiling. I did the comb coils with a comb, and then I further did it with my fingers, and I can tell you this, with a comb it looks way better. So just save your fingers, because your fingers will feel the pinch after you're done finger coiling almost 40-50 twists. Just use a comb, guys. So here I prep all the hair so that I can work faster, and then we just go ahead and twist, apply the butter and twist. And if you want a detailed tutorial on how to twist, to spring twist or Nubian twist, I'll put a link up there so you can go check out that video. That spring twist ombre hair, I mean, it looks really good. It's a different way of using the same hair. That's why I'm giving you guys variety. Time to snip off those rough ends. Don't be scared when you're doing this and you realize you have rough ends. It's normal. You can snip it off. Just make sure you do not lose all the red tips. So here I'm cutting up my bangs. These are the top layer where you see they are so short. I wanted red at the top of my head, not just red at the bottom. So that's why I didn't want to do all the hair looking long. And guys, I must admit that I lost a few teeth of my fine tooth comb because detangling this hair was not easy, but we move regardless. So balance out the hair and make sure that the red tips are showing. I was very intentional about the red tips. That's what I wanted. Yeah, and then just continue repeating the process. It's very repetitive from here. When it comes to comb coiling the ends, I found that detangling a small section, coiling as you go works best. Now you need to hold the section that you've already coiled and then detangle and then keep on coiling. Now this will give you a much better result. I did try detangling the whole section and then coming back to coil the whole section, and the hair did tangle. So this is the best way, in my opinion, to get those cute coils at the end. And if you can comb coil till the end, till the rough ends, please do, because you'll end up saving lots and lots of those red tips that I like. So now it's time to cut off the rough ends, and you see the hair just turns out really cute, really smooth till the end. And we want this hair to last for long, so we're going to take our sweet time, yes? I do finger coil the ends as needed, and I forgot to tell you guys to cut the hair at an angle. You did see me cut at an angle and not a blunt straight cut. I do a hot water soak for this hair to lock in the twist, to lock in the coils, and to take out excess product. You can see the water is getting cloudy. That is the excess product that I used while twisting the hair. The hot water does help the hair lock the style in place. Moving on to my natural hair prep. My hair is washed, detangled, deep conditioned, and I put it in this braids so that it can stretch out. Right now I am just misting it with some water, adding some leave-in conditioner, detangle as needed. I use my massage brush to stimulate my scalp because my scalp needed that massage. It feels really good. So I proceed to sectioning off my hair in preparation to doing my braiding pattern, and my braiding pattern does determine my final result, how my hair will fall on my face or away from my face. Now I'm doing a zigzag pattern at the top of my head, and I wish I proceeded with that zigzag pattern until the middle of my head, because at the middle I ended up doing a middle part, which now that I see it, I wish I had done the zigzag. Now that is note to self on my next crochet install. Now I do an under braid, which I find it to be more gentle and it gives me more room to hold the crochet, and as opposed to doing over is more tighter and it won't be as gentle because your hair will feel really tight. So how you braid underneath the crochet really determines how much tension you'll put on your hair and eventually how protective the hairstyle would be. Once I'm done with braiding, I proceed to apply my DIY herbal hair stimulating growth oil, and this is a mixture of a lot of herbs and I really like it. I massage that in and then I braid up the ends. After air drying the twist and coil crochet hair, it's time to install, and we'll use the latch hook that we all know and love and proceed to installing the hair. A tip for you guys is not to use the hook where the hair is coiled. Use it where the hair is twisted, because the twist holds better the hook as opposed to the coil. The coil will just start unraveling, which is something we do not want. You guys can see that the middle part of my head, the crown area, is empty. That's when I needed to go get another pack, do the crochets again, install them, and then voila. Right here I'm just checking out which hairstyle I can do with this hair. Sometimes I do worry if the hairstyle will turn out great, but I do trust the process. I protect my hair at night by sleeping in my Nappy Happy Satin bonnet, and this size is large. That fits my crochet hair very well and it will make my hair last longer. I blend out my forehead because that mask look will embarrass you. I use the Saru lemongrass and moringa Frizz-Free Spritz because it feels so good on my scalp. It smells so great on the hair. So yes, I do that and massage that in. Follow it up with the styling mousse, still from the same line. And if you want to get yourself these products, I do have a discount code with Saru Organics. It's Tichie with no space, small caps, to get you 10% off on their website. use a generous amount of the styling mousse. Yes, you guys have seen stylists do this all over when they're doing braids, cornrows, twists. So the purpose of the mousse, because I've noticed many people don't know the purpose of the mousse. The purpose of the mousse is to lock in the set style, tame down the frizz or eliminate frizz. It gives you shine. It smells so good. That's a bonus. Yes, and it makes the hair look fresh. It looks like it was done yesterday if you're refreshing after a couple of weeks. So yes, mousse is a very good refresher and also a very good styler. We don't have much styling option with this hair, but that ponytail and bangs is a look. It's a moment. So I accessorize with this look. I realized you don't really need to wear earrings, but for me it's either I'm wearing earrings or I'm wearing a neck piece. I don't do both. So guys, this is the final look. I mean, they turned out so good. Like if you've ever cut your braids and then you're like, this can be a look, like this cut look, bob look or whatever. So this kind of gives that illusion, but it's layered. Like at the top is layered, at the bottom I didn't want it all to be long, but I wanted to give some dimension to the hair, and I think it looks really, really good. Plus, I wanted to play with some color, and you guys know I'm not coloring my hair, no. So why not play around with extensions? And if you want to take them out gently and then wash them and then reuse them, you can do that, because I mean, this hair can give you longevity. That's why I did crochet. Another reason why I did crochet is because I want to be able to do scalp massages. You guys have seen me with my new scalp massage. If you haven't watched that video of my new hair tools, I'll put it up here so you can go check it out. Yes. So I want to do scalp massages. I want to be very consistent with them, because if I do scalp massages with a style that is my own hair, it gets frizzy real fast. And with crochet, my hair is hidden, so it can get frizzy uko ndani, in the inside. And outside, I'm just looking nice, fresh, put together, you know. Oh, I love how they turned out. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, share with me. If you recreate this hairstyle, share it with me on Instagram, on TikTok. And yeah, I love how it turned out. So, I'll catch you on the next one. Cindy, do share this video. It does help me out. Give me a thumbs up, okay? See you on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.